My dear students, hope you all are well. This is Shetu Mitro, lecturer, Department of Agriculture Studies, Milestone College, Uttara Dhaka. Now, you all are welcome to my today's discussion.
Today we will discuss about chapter 2 section 2 and name of the chapter is poultry rearing and the name of the section is poultry farm. Planning outcome. After completing today's lesson, you are able to know about some topics, that is planning of poultry farm, planning and system of layer production in farm, planning and system of broiler production in farm. And from this topic, board coming and other important knowledge based question, comprehensive based question and multiple choice questions and answer. If anyone wants to establish a poultry farm, he should be considered these following points, that is capital and sources. If the capital is more, then anyone can establish a large farm, and if capital is less, then short or a small farm is established. Site selection. Site selection is very important point because production depends on site. Then supply of electricity and pure drinking water. If the demand of egg is poor in those regions, here layer farming is not possible. Communication system should be good. Then availability of improved breed and balanced feed must available, and the poultry birds where living, the place should be suitable for them, and they have proper management and treatment as they are attacked with mass disease, so management and treatment should be better. Planning and system of layer production in farm. For layer production, first some planning should be done, that is amount and sources should be maintained, site and land selection should be proper well, then electricity supply should be maintained, communication system should be developed, and must availability of improved breed and balanced food, suitable living place should be maintained, then management and prevention of disease should be done properly, and the marketing of egg should be done, availability and labor arrangement for treatment. This point should be maintained and considered. First one, site selection. The system of layer production in farm. The first point is site selection. That is, the site should be away from the locality and it must be free from flood, and where anyone can establish a layer farm, availability of pure water, electricity and labor should be maintained, and must proper communication system should be developed. Area should have wells and drainage system, and farm area should be well ventilated. Then the brooder house. Brooder house is the house where heat is provided to the chicks. Brooder can be made of wood, hardboard or tin. About 200 to 250 chicks can be kept under a brooder having 1 meter circumference. Bamboo mat fencing, electricity heater, bulb, kerosene lamp for supplying temperature artificially. If necessary, to make one surrounding with 45 cm high bamboo mate marked or hand board 75 cm away from the border, so that the chicks cannot go away. The surrounding is called chick guard. That is, this surrounding, this border is called chick guard. The area is to be enlarged at the chicks grown up. For 200 birds, 18 square meter space is necessary. Then litter and cage system. Mainly layer chicken can be maintained, can be rearing with two methods. One is litter method and another is cage method. Case method, that is, size of the case for 3 layer birds is 18 into 12 into 19 inch, and case may be different types. Then the chick management. Then disease management or prevention of disease, that is outsider are not allowed to enter into the farm, and separate diseased bird. If any chicken are diseased, then it should be separated. Dead birds should be buried. Use a specific dress for the farm. Food should be cleaned up while germicide before entering. Vaccination should be done timely and farm should be cleaned regularly. Egg laying box and egg collection. Planning and system of broiler production in farm. Mainly the system of broiler production and layer production more or less same. That is, firstly site should be selected, then housing should be maintained, then brooder house should be established, litter system. Mainly litter is called the chicken bed. Chick management, disease management, and then management of growing broiler. As broiler chicken is mainly attacked with severe diseases, that's why disease management should be maintained properly. Some knowledge based question, that is, which is the most important thing in a chicken house? When a brooder house is established, the main thing which is most important, that is temperature or light. Light is maintain the temperature of a chicken house or brooder house. Then what is the name of a popular broiler? Mainly broiler is a meat producing chicken. So one popular broiler name is Isa Vivet, and some other name of popular broiler breed. Then how the eggshell of chicken can be thick? By providing oyster powder, the eggshell of chicken can be thick. If the chicken eggshell is less thick or thin, then oyster powder should be provided. Then the eggshell of chicken must be thick. Here some knowledge based question, important knowledge based question, that is the example of hybrid broiler varieties and some example of hybrid layer varieties or layer breed. Some hybrid broiler varieties examples are, that is high bro, mini bro, boss broiler, Indian river, star bro, Isavitet, B17, Marshall, etc. And some example of hybrid layer breed is Isa brown, white, highline, star cross brown. You must think that Isa Videt is a variety of hybrid broiler and Isa brown is a variety of hybrid layer. So these are important. Here from this topic some MCQs can become, that is, which is the hybrid broiler variety or which is the hybrid layer variety. And here the knowledge based question is, give one example of hybrid broiler varieties or give one example of hybrid layer breed. So this topic is important for knowledge based question or MCQ. Some knowledge based question or MCQs, that is, layer chicken stay on the farm for how many months? The answer will be 18 months, because after 18 months the egg production is decreased. Then how many eggs lay a layer per year? Normally 275 to 300 eggs lay a layer per year. Then how many weeks after raising the chicken lay eggs? Mainly layered chicken lay eggs for 20 weeks, after 20 weeks. How many square feet is required for rearing one layer or broiler chicken? Generally for one layer chicken or one broiler chicken, 1 square feet space is required. In this slide you can see 3 images and these are layered chicken. Generally layered chicken are reared in a farm in 2 methods. One is case method and another is litter method. In first image you can see the case method of layer chicken rearing, and in the last image you can see layer chicken are reared in litter method. And here you can see two images. One is broiler chicken and another is broiler chicken are reared in a farm, that is broiler farm and broiler chicken. Some knowledge based question about broiler chicken. Broiler chicken means mainly meat producing chicken breed. How many weeks it is approximate to eat broiler? Mainly in 5 weeks. After 5 weeks of rearing, broiler chicken are prepared to eat. When broiler growth rates slow down after 8 weeks, that is 5 to 8 weeks, the broiler chicken are ready to eat. How many weeks does a broiler chicken stay in a farm? Generally, after 8 weeks, their growth rate of broiler chicken slows down. That's why the broiler chicken mainly stay in a farm in 7 to 8 weeks. Here some litter related knowledge based question or MCQs, that is firstly, what is litter? Mainly the chicken bed is called litter. Then which is used to make litter? Normally waste material, dust are used to make litter, that is wood dust, wood ash, rice bran or wheat bran, sugar cane waste, etc. And sand is also used to make litter. What is the thickness of a litter? Mainly 1.5 to 2 inches is the thickness of litter. One another question, that is which nutrients are most needed in a balanced diet of poultry? So broken wheat or wheat meal, it is the most needed nutrient that is needed for a balanced diet of poultry. Some important knowledge based question, that is what is brooder house? Mainly the house where the chicks or baby chicken are eating, the house is called brooder house. In one word, baby heat house is called brooder house. Then what is broiler farm? Mainly the farm where milk produce is called broiler farm, that is the meat producing farm is called broiler farm. What is layer farm? The farm where egg is produced, that is the egg production farm is called layer farm. What is hatchery farm? The farm where chicks are produced from egg is called hatchery farm, that is chicks production farm. What is breeder farm? Mainly the farm where breeds are produced, the farm is called breeder farm. Here some comprehensive based question, that is write down the characteristics of broiler and layer. Mainly broiler is a meat producing chicken. The characteristics of broiler is the meat producing chicken is called broiler. Mainly broiler chicken reared in a farm for 7 to 8 weeks, because after 8 weeks the growth rate of broiler chicken slows down, and after 5 weeks the broiler chicken are ready to eat. That's why they are kept in a farm for 7 to 8 weeks. Then the characteristics of a layer chicken. Mainly layer chicken is produced for egg production, that is the egg producing chicken breed is called layer. The layer chicken are reared in a farm for 1.5 year or 18 months. Mainly after 15 weeks layer chicken are ready to egg laying, and after 1.5 year, that is 18 months, the egg production are decreased. That's why layer chicken are reared in a farm for 20 weeks. Write down the advantages of broiler farm. Mainly broiler farm is a short time farm, that is the broiler chicken are reared only 7 to 8 weeks. That's why after 8 weeks, new farm can be established. So the advantages of broiler farm is short time, more production and more income. Nowadays, broiler chicken is a most popular chicken and it is reared only for 8 weeks, and people generally love chicken, and mainly broiler chicken are used for preparing chicken type foods. That's why the broiler chicken is very popular. This is the advantages of broiler farm. The next question is explain the brooder management of broiler farm. Brooder management. For brooder management, firstly brooder house is prepared. The house where 1 to 21 days chicks are kept and give light, the house is called brooder house. Generally 200 to 250 chicks can be kept under brooder house. Mainly 18 square meter space are required for 200 chicks for giving heat, and the space are increasing after increasing the age of chicks. Last question is explain the litter method of layer rearing. Mainly what is litter? The bed of chicken is called litter. For litter production, mainly wood ash, sand, ash, sugarcane waste, wheat bran, rice bran, etc. are used. Mainly the thickness of litter should be 1.5 to 2 inch, and the moisture of litter bed should be 20 to 25%, and the litter should be light and it can absorb water quickly, and the litter are changed required to its necessary. Another comprehensive based question, that is explain the disease prevention or biosecurity of layer farm, and explain the disease prevention and biosecurity of a broiler farm. Mainly the answer of these two questions are same. That is, the disease prevention or biosecurity of layer farm is mainly the chicken farm is separated from others house, and the outsider should not be enter in the farm. If any chicken are occur in disease, then the chicken should be separate quickly, and if the chicken is die, then it should be separate quickly. Then the chicken should be separated from other animal and other chicken if the chicken is diseased. Every instrument and ingredients should be kept in the farm after sanitization, and the person who look after the farm should be first sanitized and similar dress, and then enter into the farmhouse. Their water and food capacity should be maintained. The water and food plate should be kept clean every day, and if needed, the vaccine should be give the chicks. And this is the disease prevention or biosecurity of a broiler farm and layer farm. Dear students, that's all for today's lesson. If you have any queries, any question, ask your subject teacher. They must help you. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you.